Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. In this particular video, I am going to talk about LPUNEST 2025. LPUNEST is an entrance exam one should give in order to join Lovely Professional University, LPU Punjab, for the B.Tech course. Right? Currently, the applications, online registrations are going on, still going on. The last date for the same is 15th April. So one can register till 15th April and give exam till 30th April. Any day, like you can book your slot and give your exam. And based on that, counseling will happen, and there are interview for a few courses as well. So I will be discussing all that in detail as we move forward in this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and just put the bell icon turned on so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get into the video without taking much time, so that if anyone is interested to join LPU can get all the details regarding admission, fees and everything, and apply accordingly, right? So I'll also leave the application link in the description, which you can use and like click there and just fill your application form, and you can use my code LPUKIR739, the one which I'm displaying on the screen, to get 20% discount on the application fees. The actual application fees is 1000 rupees. If you use my code like LPUKIR739, you will get a 20% discount. That means you just need to pay 800 rupees, right, for both boys and girls, right? Check out the link in the description. Now let me just take you through the important dates. So current schedule is running, started from 26 March. Last date of application is 15th April, and one can give, like if you apply today, you can give your exam tomorrow as well, based on the slot availability and all that. You can book your slot and give your exam, and you're going to get the result on 6th May. Like whoever writes between this 4th April to 30th April, 6th May you're going to get the result, and from 6th May onwards counseling will start. I mean admission process and everything. So once you got the result on 6th May 2025, in the current schedule, the round 1 is going to happen from 6th to 7th May, where you have to fill your online preferences, which branch you want to put on top preference, then second, third, fourth. If you fill that way, basis on the availability, they check the top preference first. If it's available at your rank, they'll give you. If not, they'll check the second, the third, fourth. So till they'll check from top to bottom. So in any way, if they feel that at your rank that seat is available, they'll allot you that seat. Result of allotment is on 8th, and 8th to 15th, whoever like got the allotment. So basis on your rank which you get on 6th May, or result which you get on 6th May, you are divided into cutoff A, cutoff B, cutoff C, cutoff D. Basis on that, you are going to get the scholarship amount. I'll show you and discuss about fees and scholarship next, so please wait. Okay, and round 2 will be happening from 8th to 15th May, where you update your seat preferences and all that. Result will be on 17th May, and 17th to 28th is the last date. I mean like admission confirmation dates, and so right. But for these specific branches, CSE AI and data engineering, CSE software product engineering, CSE ML and data analytics, B.Tech honors computer science and engineering, applied AI, B.Tech computer science, cyber security and compliance and risk. For all these courses, there is a specific interview process which happens. Once you get the allotment details, that's not final. You have to then book slots for interview. If you get any of these branches, right, you have to book a slot for interview. Interviews will happen from 11th to 13th, and 14th you will get the result and final allotment letter. Before 20th you can confirm whether you are going to join or not, based on by paying fees and all that, right? So don't worry about the interview. Mostly they will not ask you any coding, because they also know that you are just passing out from plus 2 or 12th standard, and they don't expect you code or write a code or write all that, right? They are not going to ask you any core questions. They'll ask you why you are interested. If given a chance, how will you prove it? They'll see your enthusiasm to learn the course, what you want to do in future. They'll see your communication skills, they see your soft skills. That's it. I believe that is going to happen in the interview, because like I've seen a lot of interviews which happen after plus 2. They don't test the core knowledge of that course which you are joining, because they also know you don't know anything about that, but you'll just know what is it, what you have the idea, and you have explored a bit before choosing it. Not just like if someone is taking, you're just taking it like just like that. So they want to test you that whether you're ready to take that course or not. They are not going to test you at the core knowledge of that course. Please keep that in the mind, and don't worry, right? You can also still apply. Don't back off yourself seeing at the another admission processes interview. Don't worry. If you want to join those courses, you can crack the interview. Don't worry at all. Okay. And now let me just take you through the fees and scholarship. So basis on the cutoff scores, you get A, B, C, D. They'll divide you into these cutoff categories, and based on that, they are going to give you the scholarship. You can just see B.Tech all branches but there are specific branches which they have mentioned below. I'll discuss about all that. But for majority of the branches which are not mentioned, you are going to get 70% scholarship if you are in cutoff A, 60% for cutoff B, and 50% cutoff C, and 40% cutoff D. And if the total fees is this is what you have to pay in cutoff A: 42,000, 56,000, 70,000, 84,000 respectively. But for these specific branches, for cutoff A, they have reduced the scholarship to 60%, which is 70% in remaining branches, and 50% here, 40% in C, and 30% in D for these particular specific branches: CSC or IT, B.Tech CSC, 2+2 international credit transfer option. That is for who want to study 2 years here and 2 years in international university or something like that. And for robotics and automation, this is the fees. Okay, and for these branches, here is the fees. 1,70,000 is the actual total fee, and after scholarship, here the scholarship is 60% for cutoff A. And if you see these courses, here the scholarship is 35% only for the cutoff A, whereas the actual is 70%. It's almost off. So 1,30,000 one should pay in cutoff A, and cutoff D is 1,60,000 per year. And there are other courses and fee details as well. I'll be leaving this particular link in the description, which you can use and just get all these details. And in addition to LPUNEST B.Tech actual scholarship, there are also other scholarships which are available. You can see all this. So that's the best part, like percentage in qualifying exam, performance or rank in national level test. For example, if you see JEE Mains, so if you get 97 percentile or more, 60% of program fee is like waived. And for a scholarship except CSE, it's like 70% of the program fees. And basis on that, all that they have divided them. You can see based on your percentile also you can just join. And there are other exams: NEET, JAM, NATA, Paper 2, CAT, ZAT, MAT, CMAT, GATE, all this, right? Based on all these scores, you can actually get scholarship in LPU. And also there is another scheme that is for toppers of school education boards. If you are a Telangana board member and you are in top 20 rankers, you have 100% fee waiver, free accommodation and everything. You can just see that. But in order to continue this, you have to get 8 GPA in first year, then you have to maintain 8.5 after second year, then you have to have 9 in the third year. So then if this case is passed, then only you will be having 4 years free. If not, they will be adjusting your fees. How to apply? You have to apply. You can give your LPUNEST exam and all that if you like, or directly also I think you can just submit all required documents to financialaid@lpu.co.in. You have to mail them that yes, I have got these many marks, I am a topper in so and so board, with all the proper details attached. If you send them, maybe they will take the process forward. Right, there are other options as well which you can check through the link in the description regarding fees and scholarships. Right, so that's it guys. Like if you want to apply for LPUNEST, the last date to apply is 15th April, and you can use my code LPUKIR739, which I am displaying on screen, to get 20% discount on your LPU application fees. Chalo, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.